We traveled to the Armenian sister republic of Nagorno-Karabagh, or Artsakh as it is known to Armenians, via the northern road through beautiful valleys and deep rocky canyons with rushing streams. Remnants of the 1992-94 war with Azerbaijan could still be found as painful reminders of what sacrifices the Armenians have made and continue to make to remain on their ancient lands. Dadivank Monastery is one of the most holy and significant religious sites in the historical Armenian homeland. The site was established in the 1st century AD by Saint Dadi, a disciple of the Apostle Thaddeus, who first brought Christianity to eastern Armenia. The main cathedral was built in 1214 and includes Armenian script carved into the walls, as well as many beautiful frescoes. Incredibly, 4 years after our visit, the tomb of Saint Dadi himself was discovered under the altar of the main church. Armenian princes are also buried at this site. In 2003, the site was just beginning its long road to restoration, after being heavily damaged by Azeris during one of their repeated attempts to erase Armenian history from the region. Local workers invited us to share their lunch of bread, cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, and cognac. We offered them cigars in exchange. Restoration was slated to be completed in 2020. However, the monastery is now within an Azeri-controlled area, so its future fate is uncertain. But this is what it looks like today.